haven't tried any hair tea on your hair before, this should be your first one. I mean, try this hibiscus hair tea. We're using only hibiscus in this hair tea. You don't need to add any other herb. It's not really compulsory to add any other herbs, but this herbs alone is very, very powerful. So what we'll be needing is just hibiscus and then some water. It depends on the thickness you want, or it depends on how deep you want it to be, or how intense you want it to be, that you increase the quantity of the hibiscus leaves. But this 2 tablespoons is okay. It's very, very okay. When you are done, just infuse it with hot water. I like to use hot water because I like to use mine immediately. Yes, but if you don't intend to use yours immediately, just allowing it to steep for the next day, steep overnight, is also a very, very good option. So guys, hibiscus is a herb that is very affordable. It's also very, very common. Before I continue with this video, I have linked below different herbs you can use to grow your hair. I know you'll be wondering which of the herbs that you can use in your hair growth. It just comes at a very small fee. I want you to purchase that ebook and then try making your own hair oil at home with varieties of herbs that are linked in the video. So they are linked inside this video. You're going to love it. Now let's go on with this video. So hibiscus is something that contains natural components that are able to promote hair growth. Yes, so if you've been complaining of not seeing growth on your hair, hibiscus is your best bet. It's something you can use on your hair. It's able to promote hair growth. It's also able to reduce hair fall if you're suddenly experiencing shedding, or like you are just not understanding what is happening to your hair. Please use hibiscus. So after the herbs is infused for about 15 minutes in the hot water, I just strain it and allow it to sit for a while so that it cools down. You wouldn't want this burning your scalp. This is my hair. In fact, this scratch is so necessary. It gives you this relief. I've been in this 2-band style for almost a week, and I just felt like, okay, let me just moisturize my hair a bit with hibiscus and shea butter. Trust me, moisturizing your hair can take you far. So hibiscus also nourishes and strengthens the hair. If your hair is strong, you realize that it's difficult for it to break. It holds on to the scalp so strong. It's so difficult for it to break. Hibiscus also balances the pH of the scalp. You all know that our scalp has its pH, and if the pH is too high, there's an issue. If the pH is too low, there's also an issue. So using hibiscus helps to balance the pH of the scalp. It's very important. Yes, so when your pH is balanced, it's able to give your scalp the conducive atmosphere for your hair to grow. Like when I say conducive, I mean conducive. It gives it a beautiful atmosphere for your hair to grow. Hibiscus is also herb you can use to prevent premature graying. Yes, sometimes at an early age you realize that your hair is graying. Yes, if you are able to spot this early on, you can start using hibiscus, especially as mask. For hibiscus mask, I love it too much because of the results that it gives, especially as mask, and you notice how it's going to help benefit your hair, guys. Yes, one thing I've used hibiscus for is for hair growth. It's really thickened my hair. This is a personal experience. I'm not even lying about. It thickened my hair so much. So if you are looking to thicken your hair, try using hibiscus for your hair, and you're going to notice a big difference, a very, very big difference. So guys, this is what hibiscus can do for your hair. Let me allow you to enjoy the music, and I'll see you at the end of the video. So in this process, I'm just applying it to my hair with shea butter and being gentle about detangling my hair because I don't want my hair to break off. Yes, I'm trying to grow some hair, and then imagine being very aggressive with it. So enjoy this music, and I'll see you at the later part of the video. once you are done, just make sure that you have sealed in the moisture with the shea butter, because shea butter gives you like a long-term moisture seal, long-term moisture sealant. Yes. So guys, this is where the video comes to an end. Don't forget to check out 20 herbs you can use for hair growth in the caption. Bye.